Hey guys, and this is GirlSparkles. So in today's video we are going to be going out to harvest some plants. In this Instagram post right here, we posted how we were doing an Instagram a plant video, and we were harvesting our plants. Actually no, we were planting them and they were growing. So now we're going to be harvesting them, and now you can see how they look like. Let's go. Right now she's
cutting the
So right now Rachel is cutting the onions, and then once the onions are cut,
it's ready to be harvested.
What is this?
Onions.
And once Rachel has cut the onions,
It's like we don't fully form.
And once Rachel has cut the onions, then
It'll be ready to harvest.
it will be ready to dry up.
These in the
Ah.
pot. Be ready to be used.
Along with the other ones I harvested. I'm just going to remove the audio. And you put them there, then we leave it to dry up. And then we can use it to cook food.
Okay, let's do it. For planting cucumbers and beetroot, because I can see there's a beetroot growing here, but I don't know where the other ones have gone. So we're going to plant beetroot around here, and we're going to plant cucumbers. Alright, so as you can see, we have finished for the day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on the post notification bells so you won't miss any of our awesome videos. This is just a little video of us harvesting and planting some plants, and these are our lettuce.
And then in this bag we
showed you that we have some onions.
Yeah.
And yeah. See you in the next videos. Bye!